The entire nation knows him as the 2611 hero Hemant Karkare. But for me, he was simply my papa who brought me home a little puppy. 2611 began like a morning like any other, but at that time I had no idea that my life was going to change forever in a way that I could never prepare for.
This is the story of Zui Karkare Naure, the daughter of India's braveheart Hemant Karkare.
I remember it was Diwali. I was in the 6th grade, and the entire morning I was upset because I complained to Papa that I have no family or friends to burst firecrackers with. So he sat me uh, in his car and he took me to a place with lots of little children. At that time, I did not know it was an orphanage. I was happy to see so many children in the same building at the same time. Papa told me to distribute all my firecrackers evenly to all the children there, and then we burst these crackers together. It was a simple message of gratitude that Papa was trying to teach me then. He was a tough police officer for the entire world. But for me, he was simply my soft spoken father who loved listening to Lata Mangeshkar and eating simple Maharashtrian food with his hands at home. At home, he was always very cheerful. Nobody could tell that he was under any kind of pressure whatsoever.
Before joining the force, he was a well paid, thriving engineer, but at 27, he left it all to serve people.
Once I asked him, Papa, don't you get exhausted helping all these people all the time? And he said, no, I joined the police force because this is one of the professions which helps you to be in a place where you can help other people.
In 2008, when her parents visited her in Boston, little did they know it would be their last trip together.
As I bid goodbye to Papa at the Boston airport, I had this childlike instinct inside of me to follow him.
On 26 November 2008, when Mumbai was shaken by terrorist attacks, miles away in Boston, a daughter prayed for her father's safe return.
My sister called. She said, Zoe, do you know Papa has put on a bulletproof jacket and helmet? There have been terror attacks in Mumbai and he has headed in that direction. For a second, I was shocked. Fear rose inside me. But then I held on to my belief that Papa was invincible.
And of all those who died in the terror attacks, including ATS chief Hemant Karkare, who were killed in the line of duty.
Hemant Karkare and lost tonight to terrorist violence.
But he did not return home that night. He was martyred in the terror attacks.
I felt deeply dejected, but over the years, his values and beliefs have kept me going, and they remind me that there is so much to be grateful for every single day.
Karkare served the nation for 26 years, received 3 gold medals, and was awarded the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service twice. His greatest honor, the Ashok Chakra.
The entire world calls him Braveheart, but for me, he was simply the man who was my father who taught me how to live.